Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be replacing the lip, and Daniel's helping me. What up? And we will be taking it into his garage right here, but RIP lip. This right here is super steep right here, so we can't be putting it up through his driveway. So we're probably gonna be doing it on the street. And if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing. Like this video if you like it, and enjoy. So while Daniel's taking off the old busted splitters, the CSL carbon splitters, I'll be unboxing the new lip we got from Brian Motorworks. That's his company right here. The quality on this lip is like super good, and it's so light, and
yeah, the thing's nice.
What do you think about it?
I think it's good. How much should you pay?
It was a hookup, but I mean the price is like real good for it.
Yeah,
like we're mocking it up right now, but like this lip is real good, and like for the price and shipping, Brian shipped it in like 3 days. I wanted it. The packaging was perfect. He included some of the hardwares. Let me go show you guys the hardwares. He got us the 3M tape. We're probably going to be using the tape it up, and then use some self-tapping screws. Alright, so this is what you get with the hardware. You get 2 sets of 3M tape, some sticker from Motorworks. That's what you get, and then some stickers. So Danny is cleaning up the bumper right here. We're using some rubbing alcohol, and then we're gonna mock up the lip and try to put it up. Damn, it looks clean. I mean, the fitment's not like perfect 100%, because obviously it's aftermarket, but we're gonna work with it. We use 3M tape on it, and now we're probably gonna be drilling it to the bumper, and we're gonna be using some self-tapping screws. You can see, but it looks pretty good. This dude right here left his drills in his other house, so we're using a torch and we're heating it up and trying to screw it in with this regular screw, and like actually using a ratchet to ratchet it in. It's working though, so we don't usually recommend you doing it, but use a drill or use the 3M tape. But we want to make sure that it's on there tight and like not fall off in the freeway. So we use 3M tape, and then we use some self-tapping screws. And don't do what we're doing with the torch. Use a freaking drill. Alright guys, so quick question. Comment down below, and I'm kind of iffy about it. I'm kind of confused. Which one do you guys think looks better? The lip or the CSL splitters? The lip is kind of growing on me, and it gives the car a more aggressive and lowered look right here. So I'd prefer the lip, but let me know if you guys like the lip better or the CSL splitters. Yo, look at this right here. We're on his driveway. Look at this. I'm like literally one finger right above the ground. Holy shit. But It comes with its perks and its disadvantages, but I love it. Still gotta work on some of the fitment issues right here, but we're probably gonna try to work on it. But so far the lip looks real good, and it wouldn't be possible without Danny over there. So huge shout out to him. And yeah, if you guys like what you see, hit Brian Motorworks up. His lips are decently priced. Love the shipping. You can get it overnight in 2 days. So Brian, if you're watching this, thank you. Huge shout out to you. And the lips amazing. Thank you. All right, so I'm about to drive home from Danny's house, and like I'm really fucking scared because I feel like my lip's probably gonna fall off, break off, because one of my friend, he got a lip from ECS, and like not even 2 hours his lip fell off on the highway. So wish me luck. I'm gonna drive home and then keep you guys posted on if my lip broke. There's like $300 right on the window, but hopefully I make it home. So I'll catch you guys when I'm home. Guys, so I made it home. The lip is still in one piece. It didn't break, no scratches, nothing. But I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. I'm home. The video is kind of short because like I had to go home and Daniel had to do some work, but this lip is pretty good. Fitment's pretty decent. We'll have to work on some stuff over there. And yeah, if you guys want to, hit up Brian from Motorworks. Shipping's really good. He packaged it real good, and the lip is real good. And one thing I noticed with the lip is, you see how it extends? This is the extended version. ECS and some other website sells it, but like it's not kind of extended. It's just like hangs in there. This is kind of like a splitter. So I like this one right here. I don't know what you guys like, but comment down below if you guys like the look, like the way how it looks. So I'm gonna end the video. Please like this video if you liked it, if you enjoyed it, and consider subscribing. I'll bring out some more good content for you guys, and until next time, take care.